You don't actually need to be a Pandas expert to be a great data analyst. In fact, 90% of what you do in Pandas can and should be done in SQL before the data even hits your Python environment. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the same problem in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find the employees whose manager left the company. For example, we have a table employees, and we need to filter first those employees who earn less than 30,000 and whose manager ID does not appear in the employees table on the employee ID. In SQL, we write a select statement, and we filter first salary less than 30,000. The second condition we need to use is when the manager ID not in, and here we need a sub-select statement. Here we select all employee IDs from table employees. The last thing we need to do is order by employee ID. And in the select statement, we write only one column employee ID because that's what the output requires. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we first filter for salary less than 30% and manager ID not null. This new dataset we will store in the low salary dataset. Next, we check if manager ID is not in the set of existing employee IDs. So we take the new dataset low salary and we write the condition statement. We take the column manager ID from the low salary dataset, and where the function is in, we check if the manager ID exists in the employee's data frame. Since we need a negation, we put a not operator in front of the statement. And this new dataset we will store in manager left dataset. Now the last step we need to do is select only employee ID and sort them. We take the last dataset we just created and we select employee ID only. Now we use the method sort values. And this we will store into the result. And now we are ready to return the result. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The sub-select statement in SQL or the filtering in Pandas? Let me know in the comments.